started using soil moisture meters here at Torrey Pines actually in 2008, and since that time, through a combination of research and field observations, the green section really played a big role in spreading the use of soil moisture meters around the country. Now I would say of the courses that I work with, at least half of the courses I work with use soil moisture meters to refine moisture consistency, to provide better turf health, and maybe most importantly, produce premier playing conditions. I think the additional tool that moisture meters provide offers superintendents the ability to sort of refine the art of greenkeeping. I mean, I can't imagine doing a championship without moisture meters for the reason that we're really able to dial in moisture consistency across putting greens from the front, the middle to back, to left to right, so we're improving moisture consistency, and therefore we're also improving the consistency of the firmness of the playing surface, which the players obviously appreciate. You know, historically they used soil moisture probes to evaluate and feel soil moisture, or use a knife. But now with the ability to more objectively evaluate soil moisture, they can bring the golf course to a really firm condition without going over the edge, and have greater confidence that assistants and irrigation technicians can all use that data to work towards managing to a number, and they can all be confident that they're managing in a similar fashion. So that's really helped. So it's really been a huge improvement in the industry's ability to provide those consistent conditions day in and day out. Again, with the confidence that they're managing to a number rather than using a subjective tool that is difficult to interpret between assistant superintendents and the superintendent.